We have looked at some aspects of angles. Now let's look at specifically paired angles. There are different names given to different paired angles. So let's look at them one by one. Complementary angles. So when you have something like this, let's say this is 30 degree and this is 60 degree. When you add them up, you get 90 degree. Now, remember, this could be any which way. The idea is that two angles add up to 90 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. Another thing, it's not necessary that they be adjacent to each other. Right? They could be something like this. Let's say 1, and so 1 plus angle 2 equal to 90 degree. We say they are complementary angles. Let's look at another one, that is supplementary angle. Now here the sum should be 180 degree. So if two angles, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree, then we say that they are supplementary angles. So it could be as simple as 90 degree, 90 degree, or it could be say 60 degree and 120 degree. They need not be adjacent angles. They need not be together at all, right? So it could be something like this, could be separate. But if they both sum up to 180 degree, we call them supplementary angle. They supplement each other. Of course, adjacent angle we have seen previously. Angles with a common vertex and a common side. So here, if I have something like this, then there is a common vertex and a common side. They need not sum up to anything specific. Linear pair. Now, linear pair is two angles which sum up to 180 degrees. So something like this. Now you might wonder what is the difference between linear pair and supplementary angles. Now the difference is supplementary angles can be separate, whereas linear pair will always be together. So supplementary plus adjacent equal to linear pair. Okay. Remember, they also sum up to 180 degree because it is supplementary. Linear pair will always be 180 degree. Okay, let's look at vertically opposite angles. Now, if you have two lines which intersect each other, so you have intersecting lines. So here you will always have 1, 2, 3, 4 angles when you have intersecting lines. Now 1 plus 2 is equal to what? 180 degree. Why? Because they are linear pair. Similarly, angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Yes, why? Because again linear pair, right? Now RHS is equal right hand side, so that means these two are also equal. So which means angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. These two get cancelled. That means what? Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Basically what we did was to prove that vertically opposite angles 1 and 3 are similarly angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Things become very interesting when you have two parallel lines and a line traverses through both. Two parallel lines and a line traverses through both. Okay, so let's say these two are parallel lines and this is a line which traverses. It's also called transversal of lines. Okay, now here becomes very interesting because now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 angles. And why it is interesting is because when two lines are parallel, if we know that they are parallel, then many of these angles become easily known. Say for example, angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Why? Vertically opposite angle. Similarly, angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Again, vertically opposite angle. Now, angle 2 is equal to angle 6. By looking at it itself, you can see that this angle and this angle, they look very similar. So these are called corresponding angles. Angle 6 is equal to angle 7. Why? Vertically opposite angles. Okay. Now, angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Why? Vertically opposite angle. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Why? Corresponding angles. Now, angle 3 is equal to angle 6. Why? These are called interior alternate angles. Similarly, angle 4 is equal to angle 5. Interior alternate angles. Angle 5 is equal to angle 8. Vertically opposite angles. Yes. Okay, let's look at these again. I want you to be able to remember the names. Remember this line which is transversing through these two parallel lines need not be vertical. It can be at any angle. Now, this and this are called vertically opposite angles. Okay, let's take it step by step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, angle 8. Now, they are called exterior angles. Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. These are called interior angles. Now, you have pairs of corresponding angles. Now, what are they? You have angle 1 and angle 5. These are corresponding angles. Angle 1 and angle 5, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 7, angle 4 and angle 8. These are called corresponding angles. Okay, then you have pairs of alternate interior or interior alternate angles. So angle 3 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 5. Then you have pairs of alternate exterior angles. Angle 1 and angle 8 and angle 2 and angle 7. Then pairs of interior angles on same side, that is angle 3 and angle 5, and similarly angle 4 and angle 6. Okay, let's look at it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 plus 2 equal to 180 degree. Yes. 1 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree. 3 plus 4 equal to 180 degree. 2 plus 4 equal to 180 degree. Same way for 5 and 6. 5 plus 6 equal to 180 degree. 5 plus 7 equal to 180 degree. 7 plus 8 equal to 180 degree. And 6 plus 8 equal to 180 degree. Angle 3 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. They are supplementary angles. Similarly, 4 plus 6 is equal to 180 degree. So be clear about this. Practice a lot. Whatever you learn now is you are going to require it throughout your schooling. What are these? Vertically opposite angles. What are these two angles? Vertically opposite angles. What are these? Vertically no alternate interior angles. Okay, what are these interior angles on the same side? What are these alternate exterior angles? What are these corresponding angles? Okay, now what kind of problems that you might encounter? Okay, so what would happen is you would have this is, let's say, 60 degree. Now find all the others. Can we find all the other angles? If this is 60 degree, then this is going to be, remember, this plus this is going to be 180 degree. So that means this will be 180 minus 60, 120. So this will be 120. If this is 120, this is going to be 120. This will be 60 degree. So this is going to be 60 degree. This is going to be 120 degree. This is going to be 60 degree and 120 degree. Yes, that's the beauty of this. Now, let's say you are given two lines and a line transversing through this, and you are told that this angle is equal to this angle. That means that these two lines are parallel, right? Corresponding angles. Any of the conditions. You are given this is equal to this. Then you know whether they say or not that these two are parallel. It might happen that you are told that these two are parallel lines, and you are asked to say this is not 180, 110 degree. You are asked to find all the other angles. Remember, if these two lines are not parallel, then none of what we have discussed is right. So this is valid only in case of parallel lines. Okay, I think that's enough for today. Bye for now.